Welcome to Garden Wise Adventures. Today we're going to discuss a little bit, it's going to be a really short video, but it's the first video in my garlic harvest. Now in a bit I'm going to show you what my garlic looks like. I still have some left over from last year, and I'm going to show you the method that I use to harvest garlic. Now it's a little controversial, I guess. The method I use to harvest garlic I've used for years. I mean, I've been in Utah for about 13 years and I lived in California for 15. So what is that? 27 years. That's the number of years I've been harvesting garlic this way. So let me show you my garlic patch and show you how I know it's just about ready to harvest. Right here we have my garlic patch. It's starting to look a little dry. And as you can see, the bottom leaves are starting to dry up. That's the signal that garlic is ready to start to harvest. Now, most people suggest, and you can follow their example, and you're going to probably have the exact same results as I do, is just to harvest the garlic at this point, just to take the garlic out of the ground. Now, you don't reach down and pull, you've got to loosen it first. But what I like to do is I like to let the garlic dry down a little bit more. So I use a method called lodging. Most people use that with onions, but I also use it with garlic. And what lodging is I take my foot and very gently bend. It's going to be hard with the irrigation in the way, but I bend the garlic down. Now there's probably going to be some people out there that argue about this and say it's not the right way, but it's the way that I've been doing it. And then I'm going to leave these for a week and let them dry up a little bit more. So I will get this finished and show you what it looks like when I'm done. Okay, I've lodged all my garlic, which means I've just kind of squished it down. Now the reason I do it this way is I want the neck of the garlic to completely seal off. I want to not have it drawing any more moisture from the leaves so that it will store longer. So let's go inside and I'll show you what my garlic looks like right now that was harvested last year. So here we are inside my kitchen. Sorry for the little bit of mess behind me. And here is, a couple of the garlics that I had from last year. I have probably about 20 more this size. Now, as you'll notice, I lodged all the garlic last year. When I lodge it, I usually leave it in the garden for about a week. When I dig it up, it's not completely dead, but it has started, in my opinion, and as I said, I may be wrong, but in my opinion, it has started the sealing off process right through here. I don't want any moisture getting in through here or they do rot or sprout early. So let's open this one up and show you what it looks like. As you can see, there are several layers. This is what protects the garlic. There's several layers of skin, even though I lodged it, to protect these little cloves. Now there's no rot, there's no new growth yet, so in my opinion, it works really well. As I said, it's been almost a year. I'll link another video at the top that I did this fall about how I plant garlic. And this garlic that I just showed you, I did not purchase. It's from garlic that I've grown for years and years and years. I always pick the very largest bulbs that have the largest cloves and propagate it that way. And my garlic has gotten bigger year after year. So next week, when it is time for me to harvest my garlic, I will do another video on how I harvest it and show you what my harvest looks like. In the meantime, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, share it with your friends, and go have a wonderful garden adventure.